How to add receipt to Walmart app. Follow these instructions. Open the Walmart app on your smartphone and log in with your account credentials to access your purchase history and receipt features. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then select Purchase History to view your past transactions and manage receipts. Look for the Add Receipt option or tap the plus icon to start adding a new receipt to your Walmart account for tracking purposes. Choose whether to scan your receipt using your phone's camera or manually enter the receipt information if scanning is unavailable. If scanning, align the barcode or QR code on your paper receipt within the camera frame and wait for the app to recognize it. If entering manually, carefully input the transaction code, TC#, from the bottom of your paper receipt into the app fields. Thank you for watching.